Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my students, how are you today? Okay, today we have English, okay, for the second term. Our lesson is Unit 4, Beautiful Nature, Phonics, pages 34 and 35. My name is Badr Sweden, with me teacher Saleh Al-Aujan. Okay, what you will learn today? What are the objectives of our lesson today? So, you will differentiate between C and G sound, supply the missing letters, spell as much as you can of words which start with C or G. Okay, so before we start, let's make a revision for our last lesson. So, number one, listen, point, and say. Listen, point, and say. So, now we have this. What is this? This is a bus. And the bus is what? Long. Excellent. So, we have long. We have what? Long. Long bus. Okay, and now we have a motorcycle here, okay, and the motorcycle is what? Is what? Short. Excellent. So we have long and we have short. Long, short, long, short. Excellent. So we have two opposite adjectives here. Opposite, okay? So we have long and the opposite is what? Is short. Excellent. Okay, now we have this animal and this animal, okay? So we have this. What is this? This is an elephant. Excellent. We have elephant, and the elephant is what? Big. Excellent. So we have a big elephant. Big elephant. And we have a bee here, and the bee is what? Small. Excellent. So we have big, small, big, small. That's right. Okay, so we have two opposites here. So we have big is opposite of small. Excellent. Okay, now after that we have this man, and he's what? He's noisy. Noisy. Okay, so shut up. So noisy. And we have another person. He's what? He's quiet. Quiet. So we have noisy and quiet. Noisy, noisy, and quiet. Quiet. Excellent. So we have two adjectives here. So after that, now we have this man, and he's what? He's weak. He's weak. I can't handle or carry something. Okay, and we have this, and he's what? Strong. Excellent. So we have strong here, and the opposite is what? Is weak. So we have weak and strong. Weak and strong. Excellent. Okay, now we have question 2. Shout the opposite in two groups. So we have small, and the opposite is what? Small is the S. We have big. Okay, and we have weak. The opposite of weak is what? Strong. Excellent. So we have weak and we have strong. Okay, we have short. Short. What is the opposite? Long. Excellent. So we have long here. Excellent. Okay, after that we have noisy. Noisy. The opposite is what? Is quiet. Excellent. So we have quiet. Okay, so we have four opposites here. The opposite of small is big. The opposite of weak is strong. The opposite is short is long. And the opposite of noisy is what? Yes, is quiet. Okay, now you will read it. You will read it. Okay, so can you read this? What is this? Yes, this is small. Small. Okay, what is this? This is big. Excellent. Okay, what is this? Can you read it? Yes, this is weak. Excellent. And this is what? Strong. Strong. Excellent. Okay, after that, what is it? What is this? Yes, this is short. Excellent. We have short, and the opposite is what? Long. Excellent. We have long. Okay, the opposite here, what is this? This is noisy, and the opposite is what? Quiet. Excellent. So we have quiet here. That's right. Excellent. Okay, now we have number 4. Guess what it is. So we have a man here, and we have 3 boys there. The man says what? It's big It's gray. So can you guess? Can you tell me what is big and gray? The color is gray. Okay, so the first boy says what? It's a mouse. It's what? It's a mouse. Okay, but is it a mouse? No. Why? The other boy says what? No, it's an elephant. Okay, a mouse is small. So we have big and gray. Big. The mouse. Is the mouse big? No. The mouse is what? Small. So it's not a mouse. It's what? An elephant. So it's big and gray. Okay, so do the opposite actions. Okay, so we have big. The opposite is what? Small. The opposite. Okay, can you tell me what is the opposite of long? Long. The opposite is what? Short. Excellent. So we have long and short. Excellent. Okay, after that, now we have 4 objects here. Okay, the first one here, this is the bus, and the bus is what? Is long. Excellent. So we have long. It's long. Okay, what about the motorcycle here? Yes, it's what? Short. Excellent. So it's short. Okay, what about the elephant here? Okay, what is it? It's what? Big. Excellent. So we have big. It's big. It's big. What about the mouse? The mouse. It's what? It's small. Excellent. So we have again, it's long, it's short, it's big, it's small. Excellent. Okay. Now we have also here, it's quiet, it's noisy. Excellent. Noisy. Here it's weak, and here it's strong. Excellent. It's strong. That's right. Okay. Now we have number 2, write the opposites. So it's long. What is the opposite of long? It's short. Excellent. It's short. That's right. Okay. Number 2, it's big. What is the opposite of big? It's big. It's small. Excellent. So it's small. That's right. Okay. After that, we have number 1, listen, point, and practice. So we have this. This is a ruler. Okay. And we have this. What is this? This is pencil. Excellent. Okay. Which one is long? Long. Is it the ruler or the pencil? Excellent. So the ruler is what? It's long. What about the pencil? It's short. Excellent. So it's long, it's short. Okay. What about this? We have a building here. Okay, we have building. Okay, and we have an eraser. Okay, so what about the building? Is it big or small? Yes, it's what? It's big. That's right. What about the eraser here? It's what? Small. Excellent. So it's what? It's small. That's right. Okay, now number 2, listen, read, and match. So we have 4 objects here. So we have, or 4 animals. So the first one here is what? The rabbit, a rabbit. We have a fish. Excellent. We have a duck, and we have a bull. Okay. Now, it's small and gray. It's big and strong. It's small and noisy. It's small and quiet. Okay. What we will do? We will match. We will match. You will use your pen or pencil and match between them. Okay, let's take them one by one. It's small and gray. Small and gray. The color is gray. Which one here? This is black, 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 and we have gray. So this is it. Excellent. So we have small and gray. Okay, it's big and strong. Where is it? Big and strong. Yes, it's there. Excellent. So this is the ball. Excellent. Okay. It's small and noisy. Yes. Is it the fish or the duck? Excellent. So it's what? It's the duck here. So the last one is small and quiet. Small and quiet. Quiet. Excellent. Okay. What we will learn today: differentiate between C and G sound, supply the missing letters, spell as much as you can of words which start with C or G. Okay, so on page 34, we have phonics. phonics, how to listen and how to spell. Okay, so this is what phonics. Okay, number 1, listen, read and say. Listen, read and say. Okay, so we have C and G jingles. C and G. So today we have 2 letters. We have C, we have G. Okay, how do you spell C? Okay, like in cat, for example, we say cat. So it is C, but we say it as what? As ka. Okay, what about G? This is G, but we pronounce it as ga. As what? As ga. Excellent. So we have C, G, ka, ga. Okay, let's take them one by one. So C says ka, cat. C says ka, cat. What is cat? Yes, that is the cat. Excellent. So again, C says ka, cat. Excellent. C says ka, cake. C says ka, cake. Okay, what is the cake? This is the cake. Yes. Okay, so this is what? Cake, not sake, cake. So the letter C we pronounced as ka. As what? As ka. Like here, C says ka, cake. Okay, after that, C says ka, cap. C says ka, cap. What is a cap? Yes. So we have a girl here. She's what? Wearing a cap. She's wearing what? A cap. Excellent. Okay, now let's move to the other letter here. Okay, we have C and what? And G. Excellent. So G says goat. G says goat. What is goat? Yes. So this is a goat. This is what? Goat. Okay, so G says goat. So we have the letter G, but we pronounce it as ga. Okay, after that, G says gorilla. Again, G says gorilla. What is the gorilla here? Yes, this is the gorilla. Okay, so this is the gorilla. Excellent. After that, G says girl. Again, G says girl. So this is the girl. Okay, with her father. So this is what? The girl. Girl, not girl. Girl. Excellent. Okay, now let's read them together. So C says cat. Say it with me. C says cat. C says cake. C says cap. G says goat. G says gorilla. G says girl. Excellent. Okay, now page 34, sounds and letters. Number 2, listen, point and say, write GR, CR, GL or CL. So we have 4 combination of letters here. So listen, point and say, then after that write. Okay, take your pen or pencil and write. Okay, now we have this. This is what? This is a class. Okay, when you go to school and you have a teacher there, your partners, so this is called what? A class. Okay, after that we have this. This is the small animal. You can find it next to the sea, okay, in the beach. So this is called crab. Excellent. After that we have this, and this is called glass. Excellent. We have what? Glass. After that we have this, and this is called grass. Excellent. Okay, now you will what? You will add the 2 missing letters here. Is it GR or CR or GL or CL? Okay, now listen and tell me after that what are the 2 letters here. Let's listen.
Class.
Okay, what are the 2 missing letters here? Yes, excellent. Yes, so it's what? CL. Class. Class. Excellent. So we have C, and the C here is pronounced as what? As ka. Excellent. So this is a class, okay, in the school. Okay, after that we have this. Let's listen and tell me after that.
crab, crab,
Okay, what are the two missing letters here? Crab, crab, yes. Excellent, yes. So it's what? It's CR, CR, crab, crab. Excellent. Okay, now we have this. Listen and tell me.
glass, glass,
Okay, what are the two missing letters here? Yes, glass. So it's what? GL. Excellent. So we have GL here. So it's what? Glass, glass. Okay, the last one here, we have this. Let's listen and tell me after that.
grass, grass,
Okay, so it's what? Grass, grass. Okay, what are the two missing letters here? GR. Excellent. So we have GR. So it's what? Grass, grass. Excellent. Okay, so let's read them together. So we have class, class, crab, crab, glass, glass, grass, grass. Excellent. That's true. That's good. Okay. Now on page 35, fun time. Now we have word making game. We have a game here. So word making. Number 3, listen to the teacher and hold up the letters. Okay, so the teacher says bag, bag. And you will say what? B, A, G. Excellent. So B, A, G. If I say bag, bag, you will say B, A, G. Okay, what about cat, cat? Okay, cat, cat. Can you tell me? It's what? C. Excellent. C. Then after that what? A. Excellent. And T. Excellent. So we have C, A, T. This is what? Cat. Excellent. Okay. Now we have advice time. Advice time. What does it mean, advice? Nasiha. Excellent. So advice time. Okay. So what is the advice for today? So nature is your home. Look after it. Okay. Let's take them one by one. So nature. So this is the nature. When you go to the desert, when you go to the sea. Okay. So all of these are what? Nature. Not the city like Riyadh, like Jeddah. Out of the city is what? Nature. Okay. You can find trees. You can find some sands. Okay. Some animals. All of these are what? Nature. Okay. So nature is your home. Okay. Your home. Like your home. When you take care of it, you should what? Take care of the nature out of your home. Okay. So nature is your home. So look after it. Look after it means what? اعتني به. Okay. Don't throw some letters there. So what? Take care of the nature. Okay. Don't make it unclean. Make it clean. Okay. Excellent. Okay. Now on page 153, go 31. So page 153, 153. Okay. Number 1, listen and practice. So we have this. What is this? This is cat. Excellent. So number 1 is what? Cat. Say it with me. Cat. Okay. Number 2, what is this? Goat. Goat. Excellent. 3, what is this? Yes, this is a cake. Cake. Number 4, gorilla. Gorilla. Excellent. Number 5, what is this? Yes, this is a cap. Excellent. Cap. Cap. Okay. And who is this? This is a girl. Girl. Excellent. Okay. Now, number 2 will says what? Listen and circle. C or G. Okay. Tell me, is it C or G? So, number 1, we have this cat. Is it C or G? Cat. Yes, excellent. So we have C here. Okay. Cat. Okay. Number 2, we have what? Goat. Is it C or G? G. Excellent. So we have goat. Okay. Number 3, C or G. This is what? Cake. C. Excellent. So we have C here. Number 4, we have a gorilla. gorilla. Okay, is it C or G? G, excellent. So we have gorilla here. Number 5, we have a cap. Cap, C or G? C, excellent. So we have a cap here. Okay, now we have a girl. Number 6, girl. Is it C or G? G, excellent. So we have G here. That's right. Okay. Number 3, write the missing letters C or G, trace, copy. Okay. Now, number 1, we have a missing letter here and then at. Is it gat or cat? Cat, excellent. What is the missing letter, C or G? C, excellent. So we have what? C-A-T. Okay, so we have what? C-A-T. Then after that you can write it here. So we have C-A-T. Okay, number 2, we have what? Earl. Is it C or G? G, excellent. So we have G, then I-R-L, and then you can write it there. Okay, number 3, we have app. What is the missing letter here? Cap, excellent. So it's what? C, excellent. C, then A-P, cap. Okay, then you can write it down there. Okay, number 4, oat. Oat. Is it C or G? G, yes. Why? Because it's goat. That's right. So G-O-A-T, then you can write it there. Okay, number 5, orella. Orella. Is it C or G? Yes, G. Why? Because it's what? Gorilla. Excellent. So this is gorilla, and you can write gorilla in there. Okay, number 6, ache. Ache. C or G? C. Why? Because it's cake. Excellent. So cake. Okay, then you can write it down there. Okay, now on page 154, okay, listen, point and practice, trace. Okay, number 1, we have cat, cake. You can trace. So we have cat, cake. You have gorilla, goat, gorilla, goat. Number 3, we have cake, cap, cake, cap. Number 4, we have cat, cap, cat, cap. Number 5, we have girl, goat, girl, goat. Excellent. Okay. After that, we have number 2, make the sounds. Okay. So we have here C and G, but we will say the sound. Ka, ga. Okay, not sa, ja, no. Ka, ga. Okay, so ka, 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 ga, 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 ka, 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 ga, 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 ka, ka, ga, ga, ka, ga. Okay, so this is the sound. You can practice saying this. Okay, so those are our objectives for today. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.